difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So 2020 is coming and I want your skin game to be top level because I really do care for you. And the skincare routine which I'm going to show you helps you have clear skin which looks fresh, it glows, just like mine. So this skincare routine is an ideal skincare routine which everyone should follow, and yeah, it will yield you great results. And don't be mistaken, oh, a guy is making this video so the skincare routine will be only for men. Even girls can follow the skincare routine too. It is for both. Okay, so without further delay, let's jump right into the skincare routine. First, I make my face wet with warm water to open the pores of my skin. Then I apply a charcoal beaded face wash to wash my face, and then I rinse it with cold water. After that, I apply a face scrub which is also charcoal based, and what this face scrub does is exfoliates your skin, removes dead skin cells and lightens pigmentation. It's like if you have suntan or something, it just lightens it up. So I'll leave it around for 1 minute and then wash it off. The next step, that is the face mask step. You need to use this only 2 times a week because you don't have to use a face mask every day. Same goes with the scrub, 2 times a week. So I take a dollop of charcoal face mask, apply it on my face, leave it around for 10 minutes, and during that 10 minutes I either upload an Instagram picture or edit few parts of a video. By the way, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, it's @maximus_arana. Follow me right now. After that, I apply a face moisturizer on my skin, and after that I usually apply a SPF 50 sunscreen, but as it is winter, I do not need a sunscreen. But if the sun's brightly shining outside, I'll just hop on a few dollops of sunscreen and be ready to face the sun. After that, I apply eye cream and eye roller on my eyes so that the area under my eyes looks fresh at all times and it doesn't have that unattractive black baggy spots. It looks horrible, so I always like to keep the area under my eyes looking fresh. In the ending, many people neglect the lips, and during winter people's lips get chapped, and that's not the case with me. I apply a lip balm to keep my lip moisturized at all times, and yeah, it looks fresh and moisturized. So if you enjoyed my skincare routine, smash that like button and leave a comment if you loved it. Oh, just say what was your favorite part of the skincare routine. Follow my Instagram, it's @maximus_arana, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that notifications bell because I'll be dropping more cool content and I won't disappoint you with my content, I promise you. So I think we are done with this video. So well, at the end of the video you'll see 2 more recommendations of my videos. Do tap on that. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.